Start na tayo. Mira, Timbagona, Vitas, rebound, di number 13. And then Team Marilao, naka-yellow sila, number 7, looking for an open man. 9 seconds to shoot, Mira, wala. Rebound nila ulit. Steal, number 18. Number 18, passing to the wrong man, and a loose ball. Dapat score. Team Bagona, number 1. Bagona finds number 3 for the 3. Wala, na-rebound ni number 58, ang laking mama. Puts it in. 2 points. And number 25. Nakita yung kasama. Tumira ng boss. In and out. Wala. Rebound na yan ng Team Marilao. Number 18. Bagona. Almost losing the ball. Recovered by number 18. Andelaria. 10 seconds to shoot. Bagona. Tumira. Puts it in. 4 points na. Team Bagona. Yan na si Vitas. Number 11. Crossover. Drop pass sa kasama. Pinasa sa wala. Turnover tayo. Foul. Turnover.
Batang mama, pagod tinapin.
Same ball possession ba? Sige.
Kompleto din tayo. Mamaya. Masabay yung kompleto natin. Hindi maglalaro.
Team JJ. And a steal by number 7. Steal again. By Team Bagona, number 15. Pinasa sa kasama. Tumira ng toss. Overshoots. Rebound by number 58. No long pass. Recovered by Marilao team, number 18. Nagpamadali. Recovered. Yan, na-rebound na yan ni Michael, number 5. Hinaharas si number 7. Recovered. Number 15. Backs it in. Number 15. Number 58, fake the shoot sa 3. Hesitates number 1, Bagona. Tumira ng rest, wala. Na-rebound na yan. Same ball possession tayo. Foul. $14 seconds tayo. Bagona finds number 7. 6 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Wala na tayong oras. Na-rebound na yan ni number 11. Laking mama. Wala. Na-rebound na yan. Nakasama. Michael for number 1. Beyond the arc shot. Short. Short ang tira. Almost a steal. Recovered by number 27, number 18. Andelaria. Setting up the play. Looking for his teammates. In the paint. Penetrates. Backs it in. 4-2 ating score. 6-2. Yan si Michael. Ganang namapasaan. Nakita yung kasama niya. Penetrates. No-look pass. Sumablay lang, na-recover na yan ni number 11, Tumira, wala pa rin, recovered. Banks it in. Nice put back shot by number 11. $17 seconds to shoot. $9 seconds to shoot. Number 27, hinaras, steal. By number 15, nagmamadali ang Perez. Natapikan yung bola. 14 seconds to shoot tayo. 14 seconds. Okay. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 11. Wala. Tumira. Na-rebound ni number 58. Aking mama. Balik mo sa... Number 7. Fakes the pass. Ang ganda! Number 27. 3 minutes 33. Imbagona penetrates. Michael overshoots. Rebound ni number 7. Naghanap na basahan. Finds number 27. Bagona, number 1. And a steal by number 1. Natapikan niya ng bola.
Team Lena yan. Team Lena yata yan. Second game.
14 seconds to shoot. Substitution po na tayo. Sige, pag na-shoot. Number 1, Tumira. Overshoots. Sige. Time out muna. Substitution daw. Substitution. 24 shot clock tayo. Substitution, sige. Okay, live. 18 seconds. 14 to shoot. Tumira ng 3. Overshoots. Rebound na yan. Need. Shoot. Shoot lang. Number 18. Nakuha na yan. Number 18. It's a pass. Almost. And a loose ball.
Recovered, okay.
Good. 8 seconds. Oh.
1 minute.
45. Dito sa first quarter, 1 minute 45. Tumira ng press. Tags it in. 11-4. Ang ating score. 1 minute 27. Number 5. Naghahanap ng mapasahan. Nakita si Vitas. Number 11. Beyond the arc shot. Overshoots. Rebound ni number 15. Number 58. And a steal by number 15. Number 15. Penetrates. Backs it in. What a nice hustle play by number 15. 11-6 ang ating score. 1 minute remaining in this first quarter. Ayan na si Team Marilao. Naghanap na mapasahan. 55 seconds to shoot. Bagona, tumira ng press. 2 points lang. Long shot. Long perimeter shot by Bagona. Number 5, Michael. Fades away and it's in. 35 seconds to play. Number 18, nagpapadali, penetrates. Yes, sir. 25 seconds. 16. Hira, overshoots. Rebound ni Michael yan. 14. 9 seconds to shoot. 7. Nilalabas lang. Sige. 2 seconds. Tumira. Pasok yan. Counted. Wala na tayong time. That ends the first quarter. 15-10 ang ating score. Lamang ang Team Bagona. 30 seconds timeout tayo.
Sila ano mga kalaban natin? Sila Rafael? Pwede. Mga kalaro mo? Team ano yan? Team Mike. Kalaban. Siya ka doon. May malaki sila. Alam mo yung mga kalaban mo yan.
15 seconds na lang remaining sa ating timeout.
Tagal naman ng ano mo, yung time.
Alright? Okay na kayo? Back to the hard court na.
Okay.
Back to the hard court. We are now in the second quarter. Sino yung huling possession?
Sa inyo wala.
Bola nyo. Bola nyo. Team Marilao, possession. Marilao, possession. Marilao. Same court pa rin ha. Change court tayo sa second half.
Isa pa lang.
First half pa lang. Live ball na tayo. Start na, live ball. 17 seconds to shoot na yan. 15 seconds. Number 7 to number 2. Fakes the 3. Floater. Short. Iba na yan na team JJ. Fasyo, nakita yung kasama. Bitnas. 16 seconds. Reverse shot. Pero wala yan. Nakuha ni number 2 to number 58. Long pass. Step back. Pumira ng Cres. Overshoots. Recovered by Team Bagona. Bonifacio. Team Bonifacio. Trap pass. Binalik sa kasama. Puts it in. 15-12. Ang ating score. Bagona are behind by 3 points. Number 18, Candelaria to number 2. Binalik sa number 3, back to number 18. 8 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds to shoot. 5, 3. Tumira ng press. In and out. Naribaw ng kasama. Good yan. Puts it in. Nice baseline. Offensive execution by number 27. 21 seconds. Umira. Overshoots. Rebound ni number 58. Number 58. To number 18. Easy bunker. At the baseline. 19-12 ang ating score.
Meron silang
10 seconds to shoot. Number 19, looking for an open man. 6 seconds. Tumira. Bonifacio, wala. Na-rebound na yan. Number 18. Pinasa number 27. Missing that easy bunker. Ayan na, si number 31. Naghanap na mabasahan. Number 31 penetrates. Puts it in for 2 points. 19-14 ang ating score. 5 minutes 38 seconds in the second quarter. Number 7 setting up the play, finds number 58. Looking for an open man. 9 to shoot. Number 58, tumira ng 3. 4, 3. Number 58, burning the arc. Making that score 22-14 in favor of Team Marilao. Bagona's team. Number 31. 22-14. Wala yung bola. Shot clock. Reset in 14 seconds. Number 19, Vitas. Finds number 1. Penetrates. Nakita si Mike. Si John puts it in. Easy jumper by JJ Bonifacio. 4 minutes 41 in this second quarter. And seconds to shoot. 8. Number 58, tumira na naman ng 3, pero wala, recovered. Nakuha yan ng team JJ Bonifacio na yan, si Vitas. Yes, sir. Beautiful. Layup. By number 19. Number 7, and almost a steal by JJ. Number 91. 22-18 ang ating score. 14 shot clock. Tamang pa rin ang team Bagona. Number 2 to number 18. Back to number 2. 10 seconds to shoot. Fakes the pass. Penetrates. Overshoots. Rebound by team JJ. Nagmamadali yan. Drop pass kay JJ Bonifacio. Almost losing the ball. Turnover. Long pass by number 27 to number 58. Easy bunker. 24-18 ang ating score. 3 minutes, 25. Number 2, to back JJ. Short. JJ. Wala pa rin. And a steal again by number 31 penetrates. Hindi pumasok ang tira ni number 31. Yan na si number 58. Pinalit kay number 58 in the paint. And a foul. Foul tayo. Tumawag siya. Tuloy-tuloy lang yan. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 2, Bagona Junior. Finds number 27 in the paint. Kick sa 3. Umira, wala. Naribak niya ni number 31. Number 31, nagkakapasa. Nakita si number 2. Wow! Could have been a beautiful shot. Pero pas ang tira ni number 2. Ayan na si number 18. Penetrates in the paint. Natapikan. Same ball possession. Number 2. Number 7, beautiful isolation. Last 26-18 ang ating score. 1 minute 53 in the second quarter. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. JJ, number 6, and a foul. Time out daw muna. Okay, time out muna. Team Bagona. Meron kayong isang time out per quarter. Time out muna. Number 19. Number 31. For the 3. Recovered by JJ. Pero wala yan. Nariba na yan ng team Bagona. Number 2. Easy layup. Lumabas ang tira. Rebound by number 31. Number 31. Tubitas. Number 19. Hesitates. And a foul. Ang ganda sana ng isolation niya. 1 minute 34, Vitas, naghanap na mapasahan to number 31 for the 3, overshoots, rebound by number 15. Number 15, pinasa sa kasama niyang number 18, pinaras ng kalaban, and a rebound, well defended basketball by the Team JJ. Team JJ jumper, puts it in, JJ Bonifacio for 2 points, 26-20 ang ating score. 1 minute, 30 seconds. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. 3, 2. Short yan. Naripon na yan ni JJ. Okay, live ball.
Samahan namin kayo. Tatumbakin namin kayo. Tataktak ako.
Ayan si number 2, penetrates. Overshoots. And a foul. 53 seconds. Foul. Sige. Tatlo yung foul niya. Dalawa na yung foul niya. Dalawa. 14 to shoot. JJ puts it in. Beautiful pass inside the paint. 30 seconds tayo in the second quarter. 26-22 ang ating score. 25 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 6, 4, 3, 2. Wala na yan. Nakuha yan. Team JJ. Nagpapatili si number 2. Number 2. Drop pass kay Vitas. Fakes the pass. Drop pass. Kasama. 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Time. Time na tayo. Second quarter is over. 26-22 ang ating score. Lamang ang Team Magona. ang score. We are now in the second half. Change court na tayo. Okay, water break muna kayo. Water break. Okay, back to the hard court na. Ready na ba? Pagka pumasok, meron foul counted. Halimbawa yung possession nyo, no? Tapos humingi ka ng foul. Tapos first foul na yan. Tapos pag may ulit, pag possession nyo pa rin, tapos foul mo ulit, second foul.
Ano meron pagkakataon?
Ano na yun? Pag nakatatlong call kayo,
Ano mangyayari? Mapupunta sa hapon bola. Paano yung pagbola nila?
baliktad pala. Dapat sila yung tatawag ng foul. Hanggat hindi kayo natatawa. Alright, back to the hard court.
Anong team ba yan? Hindi yung sa yung kabila.
Yun yata yung team na yun. Back to the hard court tayo.
Change na.
Change court na. Start na tayo, live ball. 54 seconds shot clock. Possession by JJ Bonifacio team. Ayan na. Umira, 0. Number 0, wala. Rebound na yan ng number 31. Permino shot, puts it in. 24-26. Automatic score. Number 7. Number 7, tumira ng 3. 3 points. Michael to number 21 for the 3. Wala yan. And the rebound by. Last ball. Last ball. Session ng JJ. Alright. Number 58, inbound din na po. Number 1, Magona. Magona senior yan. Ayan na si number 7. Number 1, Magona. Number 58 for the 3. Put back ng kanyang kasama. Number 18, beautiful put back. Underneath. Number 31. Bumawi. Wala, hindi pumasok yung tira. Number 2, Bagona Junior. Number 18, number 7. 10 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds. Number 2, 6 seconds to shoot. 4, 3. Good. Number 31. Rebound by number 31. Ayan na si number 31. Mamadali. Against number 1. Pinasa kay Michael. Beyond the arc. Wala. Rebound na yan. Ni number 0 recovered. Nang kasama. Back to number 5. To number 31. Layup. Short. And a foul. $14 seconds to shoot na tayo. 10 seconds. For the 3. Wala. Recovered. Rebound by number 2. Number 2. Bagona. Time remaining, 5 minutes, 48. Bagona. Bagona steal. Number 18. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 4, 2, time. Time na yan. Recovered by number 1. Rebound, JJ. Number 0 to number 31. Number 29 losing the ball.
Silving 4 minutes, time out. Pagka 4 minutes.
15 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 2. Back to number 1. To number 58. Sumira ng press. Wala yan. Rebound by Bagona. Bagona for the 3. Wala yan. Number 21. Rebound. Team JJ. Nagmamadali. Crossing the midcourt. Finds number 31. Floater. Puts it in. 26-31. Lamang pa rin ang team Bagona. 4 minutes 41 seconds tayo. 16 seconds to shoot. Number 1, tumira. Wala. Rebound na yan ni Team Bagona. Team Bagona nagmamadali. Number 21, penetrates. Wala yan. Rebound ni Bagona. Number 18. Number 58 puts it in. Time out. Time out muna. Ang score, 33-26. Lamang ang Team Marilao. 4 minutes remaining. Alright, back to the hard court. Back to the ball game tayo. We are now on the third quarter. Third quarter na tayo. 33-26. Lamang ang Team Marilao. Number 21, naghanap na mapasahan. Finds number, tumira ng dos. Wala. Na-rebound na yan ng Team Marilao. Number 7 to number 27. Steal. In the paint, lumipad. Short recovered. Wala.
Malakas talaga yan. Sila tangtang. Wala kasama sa tangtang. Tayo lalaro sa kanila. Kung gusto mo sila na.
Number. Wala. Number 18. Rebound.
Pipilangin ko muna sila.
Sige. Number 1 to number 15. Hesitates. Long perimeter shot. Rebound by number. Yeah, si number Vitas. Number 11. Good call. Sige. Three minutes tayo remaining in this third quarter, 33-26. Number 0 for the 3 puts it in. 3 points. 29-33 ang ating score. Apat na lang ang kalamangan ng Marilao. Yan na si number 7. Number 7 to number 18. Number 18 looking for his teammates, setting up the play. To number 58 for the 3. Puts it in! 3 points! Number 18, 58. Burning the arc. 36-29 ang ating score. Yan na si number 21 looking for his teammate. Finds number 0. Back to number 21. Drop pass kay number 11. Natakot yung bola. Recovered. 9 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds. Floater. Wala. Na-rebound na yan ang Team Marilao. Pinakita sa kalaban number 29. Tita Page. No look pass. Number 0. Wala. Rebound na yan ni number 58. Number 58. Hinaharas. Nakita yung kasama. Si number 18. Number 18. 12 seconds to shoot. Number 18 in the paint. To number 58 for the 3. Puts it in! Number 58 again for 3. 39-29 bumaba. Sampo ang kalamangan. Tumaas ng kasampo pala. Ayan na, si number 21 in the paint. Finds number 11. Number 7. Wala, rebound ni number 1. Pagona. Number 7, dribbling the ball. Naghahanap ng kapasahan. Number 7, 15 seconds to shoot. Team Marilao, 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds, wala yan. Na-rebound ng Team Bagdo. JJ. Team Bonifacio, number 21. Finds number 0. Wala, rebound na yan. Same possession tayo. 49 seconds. Okay na yan. Tumira, wala. Na-rebound ni number 58. Long pass to number 18. Number 18 to number 7. To number 18. Puts it in. 41-29. Bumulusok. Steal by number 7. Number 7 to number 18. Puts it in. 43-29. 14 seconds na lang tayo in this third quarter. 10 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds to shoot. 3, 2, 1, and time. That ends the third quarter. Ang score, 43-29. We are now in the last quarter, 43-29 ang ating score.
Parang Royan din eh. Bago manunggulan ako dyan lumalabas yung kulit. Parang Royan.
I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write your story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory.
Inbound na ulit.
Don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring.
Okay, back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Kaninong possession? Marilao ang bola.
May trabaho pa. May trabaho pa pala sila.
Mamadali siya. Alright, Marilao. Inbound din ang ball, number 58 to number 6. Shot clock. 21 seconds tayo 19 to shoot. 15 to shoot. 27. Puts it in the paint.
Nandiyan naman sila dito.
16. Number 31. Finds number 5. Naipit. Recovered to number 31. Number 5 to number 31. Floater. Wala pa rin. Alat. Na-rebound na yun ni number 58. Shot clock 20 seconds. 16 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Number 18, Damira ng dos. Wala, na-rebound na yan eh. Number 18 to 58, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 7, 7 seconds to shoot. Rejected and a foul. Inbound din ang ball number 58 to number 1. Bago na. Number 58, tumira ng 3. Recovered yung kasama and a foul. Number 1. Number 7. Number 58 for the 3. Yes, sir. 3 points. Umuulan ng 3 by number 58. 6 minutes in this last quarter. Number 2. Subitas. Tumira. Overshoots. Rebound na yan ni Bagona. Number 1. 18 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Tumira si number 18. Wala. Recovered by number. Ayan na si number 19. Taking the shot and recovered by number 5. Rejected by number 18. Wala pa rin. Na-rebound yan ni number 18. Long pass sa kalaban. Na-rebound ni number 5. Number 5. Lumipad. Overshoots. Recovered by number 1. Spin, number 2. Spinning in the paint. Yes, sir. Beautiful spin and a score by number 2. 48-31 ang ating score. 5 minutes in this last quarter. 13 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Bagona for the 3. Wala yan. Lumabas ang bola. Same bola na ng Team JJ.
Time out daw, time out. Pag na-shoot, kabila.
Sige, may isa pa kayong timeout. Igisa kayong timeout. Pag na-shoot yung timeout. Number 31, wala. Na-rebound na yan eh. Same ball possession. Timeout muna tayo, timeout. Timeout Team JJ. Team JJ. Score ninyo, 40-31. 48-31, lamang ang Team Marilao.
In my own section and they still disconnected cause their mind's been infected and they're filled with objection, too filled with recollection, so we're losing all attention. They don't know I'm in contention cause I'm gaining their attention, cause I'm making a connection. Lyricism and aggression got me feeling my ascension and my passion.
Alright, back to the hardcourt na tayo. Time remaining, 4 minutes, 24. Number 2, inbounding the ball. To number 19. Number 19. Penetrates. Pull up. Wala. Rebound na yan. Number 27. Number 7. Ayan na si number 15. Mamadali.
Maalat talaga
Stop
siya.
shot. Pero wala. Na-rebound ni number 2. For the 3. Overshoots. Puts it in by JJ Bonifacio. 48-33. 3 minutes 51. Number 18 to number 7. Finds number 18. Number 58 tumira ng 3. Overshoots, rebound by number 19 to number 31. Number 31. Inara si number 2. Number 2 tumira ng 3. Yes, sir.
Tayo do, si ano. Kita mo si ano yung... Ayan, bunigan.
Kinausap ko na yan siya.
Dalawa kunin natin.
Sino? Samahan mo nga ako yan.
10 seconds. 7 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. 3, 2. Good yan. Buzzer beater shot. 51-36 ang ating score. 2 minutes 50 in this last quarter. Number 31 to number 2. Tumira ng 3. Wala, na-rebound na yun yung number 2. Number 2. Number 58. Number 18. Number 58. Tumira ng 3. Wala, recovered by number 27. Rejected by number 31. 2 minutes 24. 14 to shoot.
Hindi ko dala yung charger.
Number 58, tumira ng 3 again. In and out, rebound by number 31. Number 31 to number 5. Yes, sir. Nice assist. Score 51-38. Last 2 minutes. 50 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 8 to 6. Reverse shot. Wala. Na-rebound na yan ni number 2. And a foul by number 18. 1 minute 39 ang ating score. 51-38 in favor of Team Marilao. Our next game for tonight. Ayan na si number 19, wala. Number 18. To shoot, 1 minute. Rebound ni Bonifacio. Natapik yung bola, same possession. 58 seconds in this last quarter. JJ puts it in. Tumira, na-recover. 51-42. 46 seconds. 15 to shoot. 13. 10 to shoot. 8. 6. That's number 7. Rebound ni JJ to number 2. Nagmamadali si number 2. Penetrates. Almost losing the ball. And a steal. 20 seconds. Nice steal yan ni JJ. Number 14 to shoot. Buzzer nila Marikina. Nice isolation and rejected by number 18. 7 to shoot and a foul. Four seconds na lang tayo. In this last quarter, ang ating score, 51-42. Bonifacio for the long three, recovered. Yes, sir. And timeout. Ang ating final score, 51-44.